How to leave group on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to leave group on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and then go to any group you want, like this one here, gaming. uh, just click on it and then click here on the top corner, and then go down and you'll find this one, leave group. Just click on it and then click confirm, and as you see, that's how to leave group on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.